Okay, so this is what we have on that hand lever, the way that goes on. This is the screw coming out, right? And beneath that screw is the little lock washer. It's the split lock washer. That was beneath that screw. Then beneath that you have the flat washer. Then you have the lever itself. And you can see the springs attached to it. You see the spring is attached to it over here. I'm going to pop that whole thing off like that. So that just came off by itself. Then you have the spring, which is just laying loosely around there. So putting it back together, you're going to put this back on first. You're going to get this on so that, well, you're going to have, actually, you have to get the spring in such a way, so that it's holding on here, so that when you put this on, it's in there. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Now you can see it, so that you see the little edge right there where it's hooked on, and the other end over there. That way there's pressure on it. Then you're going to put these together. I'm going to put that. Oh. You're going to put the split washer on first. Then you're going to put the flat washer on. Then you're going to put them all back in there. And then you're just going to screw it all back together. And it should work. If there's a problem, give me a call.